Pen, 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 penly, pen, 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 penly, pen, 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 penly, pen. Pen, 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 penly, pen, 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 penly, pen, 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 pen.
Dude, my wrist and my hand are just so sore right now.
What were you doing in the bathroom?
It's not what you think. It's this ballpoint pen. It's just such a terrible thing to write with. It just is making my hand just so sore.
That's okay, cause I ordered some fountain pens for us.
Really?
Yep. They're gonna be here soon.
When soon?
Like, now soon.
How you doing?
Hey, how are you?
Good. Mr. Roy?
Oh, that's not me. I'm not worthy, but he's here.
Oh, got a package for him.
I can sign for him.
All right.
Awesome.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.
Sure thing.
Dude, the pens are here. What do we do?
What do we do?
I don't know. What do we do?
I don't know. What do we do?
What do we do?
I don't know. What do we do?
I don't know. What do we do?
I don't know. What do we do?
First thing, don't panic. Hi, I'm Tom Oddo with Goldspot Pens. This video you're about to watch will walk you through how to get started with your first fountain pen from the moment you receive it from Goldspot.com. Your new fountain pen has been packed with diligent care to ensure its safe arrival after traveling hundreds, if not thousands of miles to your door. Please avoid the urge to rip open the packaging like a savage. There can be small parts, like converters or refills, that might get lost or damaged. Instead, carefully open the envelope or box with a safety blade or scissor in one location. Clear a spot on the table so you can empty the contents of the package in an organized manner. Most pens are boxed and contain other parts like a cartridge, converter, warranty, and instruction manual. Think twice when you feel the urge to discard the box and paperwork. There's a lot of information inside that could be put to better use. If your pen comes with an included booklet, it may have filling instructions, troubleshooting tips, and warranty service information should you need to have the pen fixed in the future. If your pen does not include instructions and you need help to fill your pen for the first time, check out the Quick Tips playlist on our channel to find simple, step-by-step instructions. If you don't want to follow instructions, do so at your own risk. Since a majority of modern fountain pens can either use a cartridge or converter, we suggest using the cartridge as the easiest method to get started. Insert the tapered end of the cartridge into the section of the fountain pen and press until you feel it pop into place. Once in place, the ink does take a little time to flow through the feeder, sometimes several minutes. Don't expect it to start flowing right away. To help expedite the process, gently squeeze the cartridge to prime the feed with ink. Once you've got ink flow, it's important to note that writing with a fountain pen is unlike a ballpoint or rollerball. There's no need to put excess pressure on the nib. Too much force will cause your nib tines to bend out of shape, resulting in a broken pen. Also, make sure you're holding the pen nib at a proper angle to the page. Each fountain pen has a sweet spot. The pen manufacturers can't guess as to the angle you prefer to hold your pen, so they make sure the nibs are adjusted and tuned to write at a general angle to the page. Most nibs can write at a range of angles, but not every angle. For the majority of round, standard writing nibs, you would want to keep your pen angled at about 60 degrees and move your hand along as you're writing. If you're getting an intermittent, scratchy, or skipping flow, you might be rolling the nib as you write, forcing it to write an angle it does not like. Being aware of your writing angle is particularly important if you're starting out with a stub or italic nib fountain pen. When filling your pen with ink, be sure to use ink made specifically for fountain pens. Don't assume that any colored liquid will do. Calligraphy and India inks contain ingredients that will cause a fountain pen to seize up and die. So you have the right fountain pen and the right ink. Now, what about the paper? Writing on thin, recycled paper will lead to bleeding, feathering, and show-through, making your handwriting look more like a horror movie. Look for papers that have a heavier weight, like 100-pound text or 80 GSM and higher. Trusted brands like Clairefontaine, Rhodia, Leuchtturm, and Tomoe River paper are well known to have fountain pen-friendly paper notebooks and pads. When you put away your pen, the worst thing you can do is leave it in a drawer to languish for ages before you use it again. Fountain pens are meant to be used often. Leaving a pen inked in a drawer for months will usually cause problems like skipping and poor ink flow because the ink has had time to evaporate. Use your pen daily and keep it with you in a case or clipped to your pocket. If you intend on not using the pen for a while, rinse out the section until the water runs clear, let air dry, then store it away. Proper cleaning instructions vary depending on the particular pen's filling mechanism. Be sure to consult your pen's user manual or YouTube for further information. Well guys, that should get you started. Just remember, don't panic. Writing with a fountain pen is supposed to help you slow down and appreciate the experience of putting nib to paper. If you do have any questions or issues with your first fountain pen from Goldspot, give us a call, send us an email, message us on Facebook, or send us a raven and we'll help make it right. From myself and PenBoyRoy, thanks for watching. Stay inky, my friends. Take care.